So I get a call from a customer. He's asking for a rewire. No worries, I'll pop round, take a look. So I nip round there, we go through every detail, seeing what he wants in every room, from spotlights in the kitchens and just downlights everywhere, things like that. So I give him a quote, send the quote in, and I don't hear nothing for a little while. So I think, okay, no worries, he's probably got somebody else, that's not a problem. But then I get a call and he says, maybe it's a bit expensive for what I thought. Can we sort of bring the price down a little bit? No problem, we can knock a few downlights off, we can take a socket out here and there, and that'll bring the price down maybe a little bit, enough for you to say, right, let's go ahead. Yeah, I don't hear nothing again for a couple of weeks. So I assume, no worries, you've got someone else to do your job. And then he gives me a call a few weeks later, and he says, hi, yeah, your quote is just more expensive than the 3 other quotes I've got from other electricians. So I said, right, you've been out, you've got a quote for this rewire off a few other electricians, and they're all cheaper than me. Yeah, that's right. Then why are you calling me? Don't understand. You find out that you're the one that come across professional and knew what he was talking about. And the other guys, well, I didn't know the other guys. But the customer wants you to come around and do the job, but for the price that the other guys gave.